Hey, do you want to spark real conversations instead of the usual small talk? Whether it's in a workshop, a team gathering, or even dinner with friends, one great question can change everything. And lucky you, you don't have to come up with them yourself. Because today I want to share two of my favorite tools to make that happen. And before I share with you the first tool, I want to tell you a quick story. Last year, I was in Singapore and I met Lisa Partridge, the founder of Walk and Talk. And as we were sitting in a cafe, she reached into her bag and pulled out a deck card saying, I have this amazing card deck from this guy. I couldn't help but laugh because I immediately recognized them. They were the Ask Deep Questions cards by Jan Keck. Such a small world moment. These cards are designed to foster meaningful questions. They come in three categories. Curious questions. What is the most memorable gift you've ever received? Vulnerable questions like, what is one lesson you have learned from your biggest failure? Brave questions. What is one big lie you've told? Yeah, you need to be brave for that. Each question encourages sharing and understanding on a deeper level. And this is so cool to come with your little card decks and start real conversation. Another resource is the We Connect cards from We and Me. They are available as card decks, but also as a free digital download on their website. These cards feature a variety of questions. What's something you appreciate yourself? How do you celebrate when you achieve an important goal? Love that one. How has your definition of success evolved over your life? What's next? How do you reconnect with yourself when you're feeling out of sorts? These questions are perfect for sparking engaging conversation in any settings. You could use them at the beginning of your workshop or in the breaks of your workshops to give a few cards to your participants to engage conversation. Yes, these are some of my favorite tools. What's yours?